Okay, so got the Surviveware First Aid Kit here. Outside, the 600D polyester is water resistant, but today we're going to see if the laminate bags on the inside actually keep the kit waterproof. So here with this little stream, there's a bunch of fish and everything around here. Fully submerge it for a minute or so. We're going to open it up and see if it's really waterproof. So here it goes. It was asked if it floats. Okay, it floats a little bit, but I can't see how long it's going to float. But if it falls into the water, it's gonna float for a bit. Well, it does float, doesn't it? That's good to know. So if you're kayaking or whatever and you drop it in the water, it's fairly buoyant. So I'm just keeping it underwater with my hand so that we can really see if it's waterproof. It's going to be very difficult. You don't need anything really. It's not sinking at all. I mean, I have to really apply pressure, and there's very little air coming out at the moment. So I think you've got quite a lot of time. This is not going to sink. Okay, so if you're in your boat or whatever and it falls into the water, you're going to have ample time. Okay, no more air is coming out of the bag, so as much water has gone in as is possible, and it's still floating. Okay. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Okay, so let's see on the inside what happened to all our supplies. Okay, got our wound closures pocket, iPads, we've got our triangular bandage, those two bandages. The only thing that's really getting wet at the moment is the shears, obviously, but you don't care about that. Bandages look good. Earbuds, they got a little bit wet. The tourniquet got a little bit wet, but that's okay. I mean, you want to stop blood flow with it. That obviously got wet, it doesn't matter. And then our adhesive tape, all in good shape. That was obviously an extreme example. Let's open up one of these and see if it actually, the laminate bags work. I mean, that's still dry. So that's just my hand touching it, but for the most part, everything in the kit stays dry. And because you got the laminate bags, that keeps everything watertight. And some of the items did get wet. These got wet, but I'm not too concerned about that. This got a little bit, did it get wet? I can see the earbuds are a little bit wet, but that doesn't concern me, the whistle obviously. Yeah, so waterproof test done, and it floats really well. So there you go.